tests is in a long-term test in most drives like mine, and early Intel drives didn't die because of NAND wear. They died because of firmware bugs or the metadata was corrupted. Basically, I am saying that their brain, aka the controller, basically died. And most of them died with at least 80% NAND health intact. My cache loop is unique, running a specific ultra-fast loop to intentionally trap writes in volatile cache, meaning testing the pure processing endurance of the controller itself, while leaving the NAND untouched. This test is rare. Most people don't deliberately bypass the NAND. Let's talk about software. CrystalDiskInfo, HD Sentinel, and SSD dashboard. Do they know the drive is bad? No. Remember, my other findings and all the software still says good or 100%, and even HD Sentinel says 95%. Good. They don't even know what they're reading. I'll explain. It is blindly reading and following a set of pre-programmed rules, and my SSD broke that rules. Remember, CrystalDiskInfo does not have AI or a brain, just self-monitoring code it follows. It compares the attributes that the controller provides to follow that the manufacturer set back then, like in my case 2010, and the manufacturer is SanDisk. It's failing to warn because it reads specific trigger attributes. Most modern SSDs, CrystalDiskInfo calculates the health based on attribute 05 and E6. That's relocation sectors and media aware. Millions of tech enthusiasts trust it blindly, but my test is showing software flaws in these. To be honest, most users would open CrystalDiskInfo, seize the blue box, it says good, and then they close it. They don't read the attributes. They don't even know what to look for. My test proves it's nothing than a pre-programmed equation. The diagnostic tool should at most look at the big picture, like if the drive has 1.8 billion failures and thousands of incorrectable errors. It should at least flag the drive as caution or bad.